If you're like most people, you're probably still trying to wrap your head around Bitcoin. But don't worry, there's a new crypto in town that is winning over even the biggest skeptics, Cardano ADA. According to Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong, Cardano can be the new Bitcoin and has the potential to completely transform the world of finance. Here's why you should start paying attention to this digital currency. Welcome to Money Invest. Keep watching to the end to see if Ben Armstrong believes ADA has the potential to become the new Bitcoin. If you enjoy this type of content, please like it, subscribe, and switch on notifications so you don't miss out on any new investment tips. Let's have a look at what Brian Armstrong, the CEO of Coinbase, thinks about Cardano and the similarities drawn between ADA and Bitcoin. Coinbase is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the United States by trade volume, as you're surely aware. As a result, an important figure like Armstrong will be able to provide insight into ADA's potential future success. Let's now take a peek at the present state of the cryptocurrency market. The market itself has been dropping. Many important cryptocurrencies have seen their values drop dramatically. Cardano ADA's price has been on a sharp decline for some time now. Cardano is presently valued at 84 cents per coin, making it the 8th biggest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. The Ukraine crisis has soured the global economy and driven up oil prices. Many international markets have fallen, and investor sentiments have been dampened. As a result, we can't make too much of it. Those cryptocurrencies are no different from any other asset classes in that they've tumbled in value at this time. It does imply, however, that numerous cryptocurrencies are available for potential investors to acquire at favorable rates. ADA's performance has been dismal, as its price has dropped significantly in recent weeks. In terms of market capitalization, it has plummeted from 7th to 8th place. It is also worth noting that the cryptocurrency market as a whole and other financial markets have taken a beating. Now that we know a bit about Cardano ADA, what Armstrong has to say about it, and the general market trend, let's try to answer the question posed in the title of this video: is Cardano ADA the new Bitcoin? Armstrong believes that ADA may have the potential to become the new Bitcoin. He bases this on ADA's strong technological foundation as well as its ability to solve various problems that Bitcoin currently faces. One such problem is scalability. Bitcoin can only process a certain number of transactions per second. This becomes an issue when trying to use Bitcoin for larger purchases or for everyday transactions. ADA was designed with scalability in mind from the ground up. It can handle much higher transaction volumes than Bitcoin. But is the price drop an indication that future development is unlikely? Let's take a look at what Brian Armstrong, the CEO of Coinbase, thinks about ADA. Keep in mind that Coinbase is one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. That isn't all, however. On a regular basis, Coinbase invests in the cryptocurrency sector as well. Armstrong recently announced on Twitter, "We have received board approval to purchase over $500 million of crypto on our balance sheet to add to our existing holdings. And we'll be investing 10% of all profit going forward in crypto. I expect this percentage will keep growing over time as the crypto economy matures." Cardano's claim about its proof-of-stake protocol is also mentioned by Coinbase, which says that Ouroboros is the first provably secure proof-of-stake system. More secure, scalable, and energy-efficient than anything that has come before it. Coinbase, like so many other crypto analyses before it, appears to be genuinely enthusiastic about Cardano's prospects. In reality, one of the main reasons that several prominent investors continue to trust Cardano is due to the technical excellence of the Cardano platform. ADA is still in the early stages of development and has a lot of promise. Armstrong's investment in Cardano shows that he believes in its potential. So, is Cardano ADA the new Bitcoin? It's too soon to say for sure, but there's no doubt that it has a lot of potential. Cardano's native tokens, unlike Ethereum-based tokens, aren't generated via smart contracts. They operate on the same architecture as ADA, the cryptocurrency that Cardano is built on. This makes Cardano native assets first-class citizens of the blockchain because of their unique architecture. These coins' native design may make them more secure and minimize transaction costs. It is evident that Coinbase is bullish on Cardano and believes that it has significant potential. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. If you're enjoying this video and want to help our channel grow, please subscribe and click that like button. Coinbase compared Cardano to Ethereum, but they also noted that Cardano's aim is to be the most ecologically sustainable blockchain platform. It employs a novel proof-of-stake consensus mechanism called Ouroboros rather than Bitcoin's energy-intensive proof-of-work system. Coinbase, like many other crypto researchers, considers ADA to be superior to Bitcoin in terms of environmental sustainability. This is an extremely vital feature of Cardano over Bitcoin, given the growing concern among stakeholders about the high environmental cost of mining Bitcoin. It could also indicate that Cardano has what it takes to surpass the learning of two currencies in the world, notably Bitcoin and Ethereum. In fact, Cardano may develop into the following Bitcoin. Remember, Bitcoin rose from $1 to $65,000 in a 10-year period. When viewed from this standpoint, Cardano's present value is not terrible. Cardano must have the functionality and features to meet market demand and user needs going forward in order to potentially achieve such heights. We can see that Cardano has all of the tools it takes to be a huge success in the cryptocurrency market. That is why, despite ADA's recently weak performance, prominent analyses such as the Coinbase CEO continue to have confidence in Cardano. When you consider Cardano's better technical features and upcoming improvements, it's hard to dismiss the prospect that ADA may be a good investment right now. On September 12, 2021, Cardano supporters let out a breath of relief. For them, it was a moment they'd long anticipated, but those who were critical of Cardano didn't think would ever happen. The Alonzo upgrade was implemented, and the network's smart contracts were finally activated. Although Cardano is still a long way behind, according to reports from its more advanced blockchain rivals, it appears that developer activity on the network surpasses that of Ethereum, Solana, and even Avalanche. An example of the important projects that Cardano is implementing is one for the NFT users out there. Theos is a smart liquidity protocol for NFTs that runs on the Cardano blockchain and provides a decentralized creator-based financial environment. Theos is backed by some well-known heavy hitters in the entrepreneurial world, including Matt Sorum and Dirk Allborn. Now Theos promises to be the ultimate answer for a non-fungible and also multi-token environment. Users can mint NFTs with a simple drag-and-drop tool and use their NFT to create liquidity protocols. Cardano's collaboration with Dish Network, in which the Cardano blockchain will be used to deliver digital identities to Dish users, allowing them to participate in a tokenized incentive system, is another major cooperation that illustrates Cardano's growing value in the real world. Cardano will be able to join the $1.7 trillion telecommunications business as a result of this agreement. It also helps Cardano to increase its real-world worth, making it one of the market's most valuable and useful cryptocurrencies. Due to the introduction of SundaySwap, the first decentralized exchange on the Cardano platform, the network reached record capacity at the start of the year. Users will be able to engage in trade, swaps, and yield farming as a result of this, which should help Cardano expand its user base and demand for its services. The next Basho upgrade, which is part of Cardano's roadmap, will be critical in allowing Cardano to go to the next level. The Cardano platform will gain scalability and network optimization features as a result of this important release. Hydra will be included in this, as it is a critical protocol for scaling. As Hoskinson stated, it will be able to offload a significant portion of the transaction volume generated by all of the upcoming apps. Cardano will be hit with a massive quantity of traffic once PAB goes live. Hydra is required for this. Cardano will benefit from the upgrade not only in terms of avoiding future congestion but also in terms of doing several times more transactions per second than is now possible. Cardano anticipates being able to process millions of transactions per second. Interoperability will be strengthened as well, allowing multiple blockchain designs and scripts to interface with the Cardano blockchain. The capacity of the blockchain will also be expanded to 72 kilobytes, allowing the platform to handle more transactions. Cardano's environmentally friendly protocol provides it a competitive edge over Bitcoin, and it may likely become the most popular cryptocurrency in the future. Given the surge in popularity and value of Bitcoin, Cardano's worth might skyrocket in the future. Of course, nothing is definite, especially in the cryptocurrency realm, which is highly volatile. However, there's no disputing that ADA is a great deal right now, and considering all of Cardano's upcoming improvements, it's safe to predict that its price will rise in the future. That might make it a win-win situation for smart investors, which is why ADA has attracted the attention of individuals like Coinbase CEO. The bottom line is that Cardano has a lot of potential, and Coinbase investment in the currency is a clear indication of this. So, what do you think? Is Cardano ADA the new Bitcoin? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.